This video was supposed to be a more fun video that I had in mind, but I can't go anywhere because the G is dead and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you are new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it definitely does help get the channel out there. I just knew, I just had a feeling that the car was dead somehow because I get in the car, right, and then usually my seat kind of moves up. It adjusts to where I usually have it, and it didn't do that. So I was like, okay, well that's kind of weird. And the next thing you know, I go to try to crank the car up, which, you know, I'll show you guys. It's not turning on. Like, this thing's like dead, like. Like dead as fuck. I'm honestly assuming that it has to do with the Underglow LED lights. I'm probably just gonna have to remove the Underglow off of the terminal for now until I can figure out the issue. I have messaged Low Glow Shop today because the only thing I can think of is the kit comes with a little switch. I think you can mount it or drag it through your firewall and just kind of connect it to your glove box. But the thing is, I've searched on YouTube and I haven't seen not one video, and there's like not many videos of them installing the Low Glow kit on YouTube, and not one single YouTuber, correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't seen not one YouTuber explain whether or not the switch needs to be on, because you are able to control the LED lights from your phone, and that's how I've been using the lights. But the thing is, I assume because the switch is there, I guess that's kind of like an alternate way to turn on your lights. But I don't know if you're supposed to have the switch off if you're not going to use it, and then just turn the lights on with your phone, if you know what I mean. But instead, I've been having that switch on and then turn it on and off with my phone. Maybe that's my mistake, but again, I have reached out to the company to see maybe what am I doing wrong, because I think I had one of you guys also reach out to me about the same thing, saying that the kit actually drained your battery and you can't figure out what's going on. But it looks like now I'm going through that issue. So the battery that I have is new still. I got it in March of this year, and there's just no way that that battery is just bad. I'm gonna check in the under the hood and let's just kind of play with it. Okay, so last time we were here, we took the battery out, went to go get it charged, and so this is how it's routed and stuff. But there's a switch, which I don't know where that's at. Is that this? Well, let me find the switch first and see. So this is what I'm talking about this switch. This is what it comes with, and I believe if you just route this through your glove box, you are able to just turn on your lights like this. And I guess it's like a cooler, interesting way to kind of have, I guess. But I haven't used it, but I mean, obviously you can't really tell if this is on or not because it's dead. So yeah, looks like a big old mess, but I'm not completely sure what's going on. I don't know. Like, here's the relay so that it doesn't drain as much battery. And then these are connected. Here's the fuse and the switch. I don't know. This thing is just so confusing. Like, I don't know if this needs to be turned off, if I'm going to be controlling it on my phone to turn that on and off. It's all right, though. Because I'm sure if everybody has had a success with this kit, then I'm doing something wrong for sure. So, which is fine, like, it happens. Wow, I'm like failing so bad. It's totally fine. Oh fuck, I need clips and stuff. I also gotta wash my car because my car is dirty. But that sucks. Really sucks. Alright, y'all, so it is the next day. Sorry if I look like a potato. It's just, didn't feel like wearing makeup today, and I'm feeling kind of sick-ish. Right, perfect timing right before the holidays. Come to find out, Logo actually did reach back out to me, and they did say that you're supposed to control the lights with the switch, and the app is just another way to turn the lights on and off, but you're not supposed to, I guess. Really, the app is just to change the colors of the lights, and you're supposed to, like, you know, mount that switch inside to control it that way. And I'm just like, bruh, because now it makes sense as to why my battery light died. So I'm going to open the hood so that I can explain it to you guys a little bit further to make it more, well, to make it make more sense, because if you also have this kit, then I would hate for you to go through the same issue. God, this is so nasty. Yeah, don't come for me. I gotta clean this, but I actually just left this on thinking that it wouldn't draw any power from the battery if I was just using the app, but it turns out no, you're supposed to use the actual switch, and my dumbass thought it was like one or the other. So what we're gonna do, we're just going to jump start the car, and then we should be good. And then I'll probably just mount this inside. I think once all of that's kind of sorted, just start cleaning the engine bay and just making it look pretty. Maybe change some of the dressings. I don't know. That plenum spacer, that shit looks nasty. I'm pretty confident that once we jump start it, it should turn on, and then we shouldn't have this issue again. And I'll update you guys on my story if it does turn on. If not, I'll talk to you guys more about it in the next video, and hopefully that's not the case. But just simply because I don't have the jumper cables right now. But yeah, damn, she looks good even though she's kind of dusty. I look like doo-doo. Okay, it's whatever. Freaking glad that I got that figured out, because then I just would have been annoyed as fuck. I don't know. I don't want to say that the Underglow kit, that the Low Glow Under kit is not worth it, because it definitely is for like, what, $300. It just sucks that a lot of these Underglow kits, regardless if you have like a relay or something, you're always gonna have some type of like battery drainage. And I don't know if that's true or not, but from what I've experienced, seems to be it. But then again, it's also my mistake as to why that happened. Besides that problem, this kit, I haven't had any issues with it. We are getting very close to 40,000 subscribers, and I couldn't be more thankful and grateful considering Thanksgiving is coming up. So I just want to say that to you guys. I started this car, you know, stock as hell, and 10,000 of you were already interested, and I think the only mod I had done was my headliner, my clear headlights, and maybe the side markers. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and to the ones who are new, also thank you for subscribing or even watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.